on the road again. We had to get some motion lotion for the old 5-ton. We're headed up on the Jeep Cherokee road to grab a 35-foot motorhome, and we're having a good time today. Man, what a beautiful day in southern Utah. We'll take you along for the ride. It won't have any problem pulling you out.
Gosh dang.
Well, he said, I hope my truck will pull it out. And I'm like, what size of truck is it?
Oh, it's a big truck.
Yeah, it's a big truck.
It don't mess around.
No. That's awesome. That's crazy.
Beautiful day, though. You better
I
get
know.
You better get out of here before it comes back. Hooks on a stinking truck. They sure don't. Taking a wall. Probably going to try to swing your front end around. So just hold the brake, and I'll just let that front end go around. And then once it starts to feel like it's coming out of the hole, then just drive forward. I'll just pull it forward.
I'm in drive, hold my brake until it starts to come out of the hole.
Until it starts to come out of the hole. Because I want to kind of drag your front end sideways.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
And we're gonna, let's just park it right here.
yes,
Yeah.
that will be.
We're on.
idle.
Yeah, yeah. Exactly.
I'll put it in park and I'll get everything unhooked under
Oh
there.
my God, thank you so much.
That thing was a little bit stuck.
I know.
That put a little torque on your truck there.
It's used to it.
Yeah, that's a big thing.
They made it for the military. That should be all right.
Oh yeah.
So should I stay here or just?
Well, we're just unhooking here.
All your pieces are intact.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to take it nice and slow when you're doing these big motorhomes. Otherwise, you get into a lot of damage in a big hurry.
Yeah.
That's the nice thing. These guys come out with little baby trucks and try to do this.
We try. It doesn't work.
It just is hard to get them out. They're just so heavy.
It wouldn't.
I'm keeping your number in my phone.
Their diesel white truck wouldn't even.
I hear
hardly
that a
budge
lot.
it. I bet.
Yeah, we're only out there 2 or 3, 4 times a week every time.
Especially right now.
Yeah, it's been pretty wild.
This time of year.
All right, we're on the road again this morning, man. It's been a busy Monday already. We've been all over the place. We're headed up to Tocqueville Falls right now in the Cherokee. Got the Karnage Welder loaded up in the front seat. We got to go out and do a little bit of welding job over here on the Tocqueville Falls Road. See what we can do to get this guy fixed back up, and we'll take you along for the ride. We'll get you fixed back up. It looks like it lost half the bracket.
Yeah.
For the control arm.
I have the bracket in here.
Well, if you got the bracket, we'll weld her on there. All right, get the old Karnage out. See what we can do to weld him back up and get him on his way again. Catfish that weighs a metric ton. Shall we weld it up?
Yeah. Sir. How solid will this be?
Just run the heck out of him afterwards.
We'll drive back to Salt Lake after.
Maybe, that's up to you.
All right, where's that black strap at? Oh, yeah, you're good. Well, it's good enough.
Hey, you're up.
Yeah, you're good. Good luck.
I am at Tocqueville Falls, but I will as quick as I get back. Not too much. I got here as quick as I could.
Oh, this is great. Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, I was sure you'd find that shocking.
Spring break is busy down here.
Oh man, is it ever. There we go, that's better. Oh yeah, she's in there now. Yeah, turn your wheel left. Okay, now just hold your brake. Lock. Okay, try to just power brake it and creep forward real easy. Okay, that ain't doing it. Not doing it. Go ahead and back up. Okay, hold it right there. Go ahead and put it in park. Karnage Welder. They'll wonder what they're watching if I don't show them. That's all just for the Karnage boys. Let's see, we're gonna go to internal battery weld. How about that? Bolt there any longer?
Which one?
That one there any longer?
I don't think so. Let's see it shorter.
How about my little collection of bolts I brought? That one's a little longer. So that's the one that come out of it?
Yeah.
What's that saying? Bigger the gob, the better the job? All right, I think you can let that brake off. It ain't going nowhere. Off. And what I'll do is I'm going to crawl under there and I'm going to weld up in that upper bracket the best I can, but I'm not going to take the control arm off. So I'm going to get in that inside. There might be a little heat on that bushing, but it should be in there. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you guys promise to put me out when I catch myself on fire, don't you?
Yeah. There's plenty of dirt.
Oh yeah, that's one of the most beautiful weld jobs I've ever done in my life. Nose hairs. Everybody that's ever welded underneath a car, I don't know what that meant. Woo! Woo! Does anybody smell that?
Yeah.
Smells like burning nose hairs.
I don't have to shave now.
I think I might have got a stash hair too. I must stash you a question, but I don't have a stash anymore. Only half a stash.
Get a little to your right.
Left, left. All right. I think it's gonna hold. See that nice welding job there. To save battery. I don't. All right, we got them all fixed up, but we got one more thing we got to do, and it has something to do with Karnage Welding fixing my junk. So you can decide where you're going to stick that, but it has to go on the truck. Badge of honor. So there it is.
Thank you.
Look, he's going to put it on the back.
You're gonna put it on there right now. Right here.
Look at that. Karnage Welder fixed my junk. You think they'll like that? All right, that's a wrap, boys. Well, a no drama weld job. How's that? Show up, weld it up, and go home. Matter of fact, I'm not going home. I'm going back to the shop after I get myself a burger. But there it is. Wasn't too big of a deal. Got that old Karnage Welder out in there and did a little welding on that old Jeep. Got it back on the road again. He got his new sticker on there. Karnage Welder fixed my junk. So thanks for jumping in there and going along for the ride today, and we'll catch you on the next one.